So you decided to pick stocks on your own in the stock market. So here is a 1 minute quick tip that can really help you and increase your success rate with as little as 100 rupees. So this is something that I have done earlier when I started investing on my own, and I've not seen anyone else talk about it. So I thought I'll make a video on it. So you take any mutual fund app like Vera, Paytm Money, Kotak Securities, or any app for that matter. See, for example, if you want to invest in small cap, right? Small cap, large cap, mid cap, choose which one you want. Whether you want sector also, you go there. So I like small cap, so I'll tell you how I did it in small cap. So I come in this Quora app, click on any small cap, search for any small cap, then click on this, and then go as per category, 3 year, and then I pick shortlist one of them. So you can go as per themes as well. For example, if you choose pharma, you just click on, you just search in the bar, you just search for pharma, and then you click on the sector, and then you can see all the pharmaceutical related companies, and then go 1 year, 3 year, then you can check as per the expense ratio and all that, and then you can shortlist a couple of them, and then you invest an SIP. But I had invested in Tata Small Cap, and you can come down here and you can see this thing called fund holdings, but you can't see the entire thing, right? You cannot see the entire thing. You can only see the top companies. So you can shortlist those companies and start playing with all the ratios. I mean, you can do all your fundamental analysis and technical analysis, right? Or you can start a SIP here. Once you put like 100 rupees and you start your SIP, you can cancel it the next month. But once you start your SIP, what happens is you get a monthly portfolio disclosure. Sometimes you get a weekly also, or and even a fortnight 2 weeks once a disclosure, portfolio disclosure, where once you download, you can see all the companies they are holding, right? And you can see the percentage of the company, which industry, market value, you can see the quantity, you can see everything, right? So now what I used to do initially is I used to shortlist the companies from this. I used to play with these companies because the mutual fund managers, they have access to many information that a normal retailer doesn't have. So when they have shortlisted this increases my chances of winning. You get my point? So this acts like a safety net because it has already gone through a set of filters, and the fund manager has shortlisted these stocks. So I used to pick stocks like this. So you take these stocks and you start your fundamental technical analysis and all. So your odds are in your favor because the mutual fund manager has done his due diligence and his technical analysis and his fund manager. So you take the mutual fund that you like, and you would like to beat, or you would like to replicate, whose performance you would like to replicate, or you would like to outperform. So you take that mutual fund and you download their portfolio disclosure with as little as 100 rupees, right? And then you go through their stock holdings, which has the name, industry, and percentage and quantity and all those things. You take that, and then now from here you do all your, your experiments, your technical analysis, your fundamental analysis, or any other analysis you want to do. You do it among these stocks because this acts like a safety net, because there's a lot of information that the fund manager has that we retailers don't have. So once they have already filtered such good quality stocks, you starting off investing in these stocks can increase your favor. I'm not saying it will, because there are months when even mutual funds go negative, but these things can increase your odds of surviving in the market over the long term. So I used to pick stocks like, and it did work out well. Another tip is, once you pick your stock from this list, you keep an eye on the disclosures, weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly. Ensure that the name of the stock that you have picked is there in it. If it is not there, that means they have exited the stock, and then you may have to reevaluate whether you need to continue holding the stock or not, because some information has led your fund manager to exit the stock. Therefore, it is like an early warning for you to maybe also consider exiting the stock. So that is another thing. So in a way, you have a exit planned out also. So I think this is one tip you guys can look into to improve your trading journey and increase your odds of success. This is not a guarantee. So do like and subscribe if you enjoyed, if you learned a thing or two, and do subscribe for more such informative videos. Bye.